Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust bass drum pedal spring tension. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, these are my double bass drum pedals, and you can adjust the spring tension of a bass drum pedal relatively easily. So what does that mean? Well, essentially, the spring tension is how tight or how hard to push down the floorboard is going to be for your bass drum pedal. If you have a very tight spring tension, it's going to be really difficult to push it down. It's going to give you more of like an action feel. If you have a very loose spring tension, it's going to just sort of be easy to push down, but it'll just be quite bouncy. It all depends on what kind of feel you're looking for. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to look at your bass drum pedal, okay? There's going to be a beater and there's going to be a floorboard. And to the side of that, you're going to see the mechanism with the spring on it. Now, I know the lighting is quite bad in this room in my house. I'm in my drum room, which is like basically, it's like an old sauna room that is attached to the bathroom, to the basement bathroom. So the lighting is really poor. It's just literally a single sauna light up there, but you're gonna have to bear with me because you'll still be able to see what I'm talking about, okay? So as you can see right over here, and yeah, sorry, just some behind the scenes. I film a lot of videos in here. So if you ever see this paneling in some of my videos, you know that this is the room that I'm filming in. If I'm filming up there though, at that height, the lighting is usually decent, but down here it's pretty bad. But anyways, we're gonna do this quickly. Essentially, if you tighten the spring, okay? So sorry. If you lengthen the spring, it's going to give you a tighter feel because you're stretching the spring. So it's going to give you like a harder to press floorboard and a tighter feel. Whereas if you shorten the spring, it's going to be a little bit more floppy of a feel when you're pressing that floorboard for the bass drum pedal, okay? So how do you tighten and loosen the spring? Well, the first method, okay, is there's going to be two sort of like bolts, two nuts, one on the top and one on the bottom, and you spin these. So if I loosen the top one first, okay? If I loosen the top, and I'm not going to actually do it because I like my bass drum pedals the way they are. I don't want to have to redo them, but I'll show you what to do. If I loosen the top one first, okay, so I'm loosening the top one, and then I tighten the bottom one. So I would tighten this one at the bottom. What's going to happen is I'm going to be bringing this bolt here down. I will be lengthening the spring, which will make it tighter, and it'll give you more action, okay, a harder action on the floorboard. So to get a tighter feel on the floorboard and more action, you want to lengthen the spring, and you do that by loosening the top one first and then tightening the bottom one. That will bring this down, okay? That'll give you a more aggressive feel, okay? I'm just gonna tighten this back down just so we reset to where we were. And then if you want a looser feel, okay, you're going to shorten the spring. And to do that, you want to start off by loosening the bottom one first. So by loosening the bottom one first, this little pin here is going to move up. Therefore, you will shorten the spring, and then you can tighten the top one after to sort of keep it in position, okay? Those are the two ways that you can adjust a spring tension on a bass drum pedal. Yeah, I've shown you how to make it like more aggressive and less aggressive, and that's basically it. It's honestly really easy to do. Yeah, I didn't want to actually do it though fully because I don't want to reset my spring tension. I like it the way that it is. But yeah, that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.